Okay, I just received the Insta360 II. This is a new camera that I had ordered last year, and let's check out and see what kind of a camera it is. Okay, here's the box, Insta360 II. Alright, so let me go ahead and open the box up here. Very nice box. Incidentally, this camera does have, you can pretty much mount it anywhere. It's waterproof. It's got hyperlapse and has a remote control that you can connect to your camera with the app. It does 1440p in 50 frames per second, and it has auto editing. And you can also connect it via Wi-Fi. And most importantly, it is hands-free. So this is what the box looks like. And I actually did open the camera up and put it in a case, but it does come with instructions here. This is the camera itself, and look at this. This is the case that it comes in. It's almost the same size as a Apple's AirPods. Look at that, almost the same size, just a little bit bigger, like twice the size. As in width. So when you do open this up like this, the camera automatically turns on, and you can start recording it just by pushing this button right here. You can also take it out of this case right here. Let me just very carefully here. So this is how small the camera is right here. Look at that. Isn't that super small? And you can also mount it on something like here. You can put it in here to mount it. So you can have it sitting in here like this. Or you can connect it to something with a hat. Everything's magnetic, so it just sticks right in there. So you can put this on a hat. And you can turn this around too. I think I started recording it, which I didn't want to do. But the thing I really like about this camera the most is this fact that you can put it on your shirt. So what I really like about this camera is it has this little necklace that you can put on around your neck, and you can put inside your shirt like this. So let's see here. I'll put it right here, and then I can put the camera right here. It'll stick right here. Now I do wish this was black so it wouldn't be noticeable, but it is very small, and I believe it's pretty sturdy. It's not going to fall off. So. But that's really cool. That you can plug this into the USB cord right here to plug it in. So it's very easy to plug in. And there's also a little thing here where you can use for a like a monopod or a selfie stick. And I'll show that to you later. Okay, I'm doing this just a regular video mode, linear. Let me see how it looks if I come up close to a plan here. There should be some stabilization as I'm walking. See how the sound is as I'm walking with the cars driving by. It sounds very clear. Problem is the sun's in the way. Let's get away from the sun. Just me holding the camera. Get a view with me just holding it. towards me. How's the sound? This is mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. I am holding the Insta360 Go 2, and I'm just seeing how my voice sounds. I have it about 2 feet away from my mouth. See how it sounds. Okay, my final comments about the Insta360 Go 2. I like it actually. I like the size. I like the fact that you can actually connect it to your chest or magnetic surface to be able to film. I think it's better actually if you hold it, because if you hold it, you can pan around and it's more like level, because when you do have it connected to your shirt, you kind of have it facing up a little bit more depending on your height and your build. What I really like is this has a stand that you can actually take this out and stick this out on something here, so you can put this on the table as such. I think the quality of the film is really good. The sound quality is good. You don't really need an external microphone unless you're in a very noisy place. I like the fact that it's very compact and you just stick it in your pocket. So, it's worth the money, and I think I would recommend this camera. I'm going to continue using it, and I'll give you updates on how I think about it. Thanks for watching, guys.